Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we of course have the build conference that's still going on and had a few new things to show. And somebody has seen in one of the demos something interesting that for some reason was removed on the recorded video that was on the Microsoft Build website. But of course, we have our Twitter user, Phantom of Hurt, that often looks at things and checks all the little details that he's seen. And he has reactivated a feature that was removed from the video, and it's a device resume feature. So basically, on Android, you would be on an app and you want to continue on some other device on a PC. Well, you'll have this option now that, for example, in this case, listening to Spotify on your phone, on your Android phone, you've got Spotify on your PC. Well, when you hover, it tells you want to resume the Spotify from your phone. So it will continue where you were. If you were listening to a specific playlist, for example, it'll continue with that specific playlist. So this is a feature that will be app by app. So it's not every app that will have the resume feature. But one of the things that Phantom of Hurt on X has also found is that it seems to also be working with WhatsApp. So this will be an interesting one. Switching from an Android device to a PC and continuing where you left off, I would guess this would work with many other things, including maybe some Office apps, things like that. So we'll see how many apps actually have this feature enabled. But for now, there's no timeline, once again, as to when this could be. Who knows? Maybe with 25H2. But it's interesting to see these new little things that are popping up. I think this is a neat feature to continue on your PC where you left off on your phone with some of the apps. Is a pretty nice feature. It exists already in the Mac side with iOS, with iPhones and iPads, and then you continue on the Mac. I believe the feature is called Handoff. So coming to a computer near you, and of course Android phones. Do go and check out Phantom of Earth on X. He does have a lot of things that he discovers from time to time within the Windows environment. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.